Alright, let's build this smoked beef sandwich. So I took the jus and I heated it up and I added my smoked meats, my smoked chuck roast, which is delicious. Let's build this sandwich. Alright, so I have some toasted French roll and I'm going to dab with the jus a la a double dip Felipe's Rest sandwich out here in LA. A la Philippe's double dipped brush dip. Okay, we'll call this a brush dip sandwich. Joe's brush dip sandwich, smoked brush with my world famous smoked chuck roast. It's delicious. That looks great. Wow, look at this. Holy smokes. Add a little onion. Oh, I love a little onion. Oh, yes. Let's give it a shot of some Dijon mustard. A hot mustard would be perfect. A la Philippe's hot mustard. Oh, that looks delicious. Beautiful. Alright, let's try it. Let's try the smoked beef sandwich. Brush dip. Add a little onion, a little Dijon mustard, some fancy mustard. Oh my word. Wow. Can't say enough of that. Good. Getting back to, I know this is a sandwich video, but I injected this chuck roast when I smoked it. And best chuck roast, it just elevated it. It held more moisture. It was juicier. And granted, I let it go low and slow. Low but beautiful. Anyway, that's a great tasting sandwich. Invite you to do that at your home if you're a big sandwich lover. Here in LA, we have a Felipe's French dip sandwiches. It's much like this. And it's braised in the oven with mirepoix. Very proper, very French. This is good old-fashioned smoked meat, baby. I did add a shot of wine when I wrapped that chuck roast. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this sandwich a try. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.